In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Wix reservations to your site using the Wix App Market in Chrome. To get started, open your site in Wix while working in the Chrome browser. Once you're inside the editor, look for the Wix App Market sidebar drawer helper tool panel icon. This is the area where Wix lets you browse and install official apps and features for your website. If you haven't used it before, think of it as the built-in marketplace for expanding what your site can do without needing to build every feature from scratch. Go ahead and open that App Market panel. When the sidebar appears, move to the search area and type in Wix Reservations. It's important here to search for the official application tool block specifically named Wix Reservations, since that ensures you're selecting the correct Wix-supported app rather than something similar. Taking a moment to verify the exact app name can help avoid confusion and make sure the feature integrates properly with your existing site setup. Once you find Wix Reservations in the search results, open its listing so you can review the app option. This tool is commonly used for booking and scheduling, and in this case, it can help add the backend structure needed for restaurant table scheduling. That means you're not just placing a visual element on the page, but also bringing in the supporting pages and functionality that allow the reservation system to work behind the scenes. When you're ready, click Add to Site. This action adds the restaurant table scheduling backend pages to your project canvas stack and connects the app to your Wix site. Depending on your site and connection speed, this may take a few moments, so give Wix a little time to complete the setup. After the app is added, you should see the new reservation-related structure appear within your site environment. As a general tip, after installation, it's a good idea to visually confirm that the app was successfully added and that the relevant pages or tools are now available in your editor. That quick check helps you catch any setup issues right away before moving on to customization. And that's it, you've opened the Wix App Market sidebar in Chrome, searched for the official Wix Reservations app, and added it to your site so the restaurant table scheduling backend pages are now part of your project.